Does your Tesla center console look a bit chaotic with tangled wires and limited USB ports? It is a common frustration for many of us who use our cars as mobile offices or charging stations for our daily commute. To help manage this, I have been looking at this 45W intelligent docking station. It is designed specifically for the latest Tesla Model 3 and Model Y configurations, including the Highland and Juniper iterations. The main goal of this unit is to expand your available ports while keeping the aesthetic clean. It acts as a USB shunt hub, which effectively turns your existing console layout into a more organized charging command center. With 45W of power, it is capable of handling most modern smartphones and smaller gadgets. It is a solid middle ground power output that works well for keeping your devices topped up without needing bulky adapters. Think about your daily routine. If you are usually juggling a phone, a dashcam, or perhaps a passenger's device, having these extra ports in one central location makes a noticeable difference in reducing the cable mess. This product seems best for owners who want a factory-look upgrade without permanent modifications. It is meant to slide right into the console, making it a very low-effort installation for most users. Before you decide, make sure to verify your specific model year. Tesla interiors change frequently, so check your console layout against the product description to ensure this dock is fully compatible with your vehicle. It is worth noting that this has been quite popular with over 2,600 units ordered and a very high satisfaction rating from the community. It is currently available at a decent discount, which adds to its appeal. If you want to keep your Tesla's interior looking sharp and functional, this is an option worth considering. It is not about changing your car entirely, but rather making those small, daily interactions a bit smoother. I will leave the link below for you to check the latest pricing and compare the different variants to see if it fits your specific setup. Take a look and see if it is the right move for your car.